lessons from Naruto. What
Yeah.
do you think? What is the first thing that you learned out of it?
That Naruto's purpose of life was to become Hokage.
And he did not become
And
Hokage.
everyone will be respecting me. Like the way he just fixes his that, what do you call, badge?
I think bandana or something.
Yeah, headband,
The
right?
headband,
The way
yeah.
he fixes it, and then he said,
Hmm.
one day I'll be fifth Hokage. Which one?
He just said Hokage. He did not
Hokage.
care about
Okay.
numbers because if it was up to him, he would have become the fifth one. But
Yeah,
then Tsunade came.
Tsunade became fifth, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then Kakashi, I don't know why, but Kakashi became the sixth one. I have no idea. Where did it come from? Like, you would have been better off making Shikamaru the Hokage.
Yeah, Yamato was much stronger than Kakashi.
Yeah.
I felt that.
I do not know about the hype of Kakashi. Literally everyone is stronger than Kakashi. After every battle, Kakashi is in the bed for 6 months. That's
They
it.
should have made Itachi, no?
Itachi.
By calling him again, because he was serving village only, anyway.
Itachi was dead, no? Sasuke killed Itachi.
Before that,
He was a
when
criminal.
Sarutobi was alive.
Nobody,
Third
yeah,
Hokage.
he actually knew about it, but
Maybe he could have,
no, you can't really slaughter.
wish.
You can't really slaughter a whole community and become a Hokage over there. That is not
Yes.
possible. That is not possible. Yeah,
Yes.
maybe it would be possible in some. Yeah. By the way, that is what a lot of dictators did: slaughter a whole community. And yeah, that is what Hitler did. So yeah, it is not that impossible. But what I love about Naruto is that they created a whole another world.
Yes.
Yeah, a whole new world. It is completely different countries. And it took me some time to understand that no, it is a new world. It is not like on Earth only, it is different places. It is a different world.
Everything. Land is different, techniques, characters. And
Even their bodies are different.
And oh my god, I was wondering how the writer made the Ruchimaru character. Like, I get eeks whenever I just see him. Like the way he just take out those swords and those snakes out of his neck and mouth. I just like shut my eyes for the moment. Like, how can he do that?
Yeah. But the thing which is fascinating is that that single man made so many characters, man. How can you think of so many different individual characteristics? Now, every person is different over there. Like, let us take a small example. Neji's character is completely different. And he's showing the changes in him. Then even the other small characters, the Sai's character, there's a personality. Lee is a big character still. Lee is kind of the major character. But still, he has made so many characters. Let us say the character of Madara Uchiha would be a contrast to the character of Naruto. But same person is writing two different characters, completely different. So you kind of would need to be kind of psychotic. I don't know. You can't really say that because you're not at that level. But
Plus, it is interlinked.
yeah.
You'll see the connection between the very first episode to the last one.
Yeah.
Right? Remember Kakashi was saying when he was just taking exam of Naruto's team for the first time.
Yeah.
The same words was he just took it out from Obito,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And Obito's entry came in just last, right?
Yeah.
And that how they intertwined those words was in the very beginning episode,
Yeah.
and then they repeated.
Basically,
and the same story.
she's talking about
And
people who
also
abandon
when
their
Sasuke
friends. Yeah.
and Naruto was fighting, when Sasuke was leaving from the village, remember that place?
Yeah, the
where
final valley.
where Madara Uchiha and this Hashirama
Yeah.
was standing. The statue was standing, and nobody could have imagined that it was Madara and Madara would be still alive,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So that kind of shocking, and how imaginary the person is who has written it.
Yeah.
So I just hats off.
But he kind of messed it up in Baruto, I think.
I don't know. He's the same person. who's
Yeah,
writing it?
yeah. He's the person who's writing that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm definitely not because I searched it out.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. But
And also the lessons.
yeah.
The morals I'm getting, it's beyond everything. Like, you cannot give up. The
Yeah.
biggest one that always
That is what
come out
Naruto
and that
stands for,
you
basically.
cannot give up.
Yeah.
Right.
So I think Jiraiya wrote a book and it was on Nagato. And what he wrote all about was a person who does not give up no matter what. And Nagato was not able to follow it, but Naruto was the one who followed it.
Yes.
And that is what is signified throughout and what I really liked about the Shippuden part actually is where it ended. I wanted it to end with Naruto not becoming a Hokage. Sasuke not going back and marrying Sakura. I wanted it to end like that, like a normal, real kind of thing. That all you think might not be happening at the end, but the journey is more important. But you learn so much. But then Naruto came. Like I think it came just couple of weeks after Naruto came. Very fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tell you one fun fact.
Hmm.
Ashish really likes Orochimaru's face.
I don't-
Every time on the screen Orochimaru pops up, he just tell me, look at his cheekbones, look at his jawline.
It's
It's
very
so
sharp.
sharp.
It's very sharp. Yeah. He could have been a model.
Yes, we always talk about that.
An alternative career prospect would have been modeling if he would not have been a mad scientist. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But then again, it is just painting.
Okay.
But he turned out to be good at the end.
Yes.
That is the
yes.
thing about Naruto. Everyone turns out to be good at the end.
Yeah, and the one more moral comes out from the Naruto is that nobody is really bad. If
Nobody
you
is
just
born
see their
bad.
situations, if you just see their all the circumstances they have suffered, they have survived, you'll see that okay,
हम बुरे
it's
नहीं
not
थे
their fault.
हमें हालात ने बुरा किया. That is the
बहुत
thing.
गंदा.
Yeah, that is what we say in Hindi. हम बुरे नहीं थे हमें हालात ने. That means for people who do not understand Hindi, that I'm not actually bad. The circumstances have made me bad.
Yes.
So that is another thing that is shown over there. Like we are talking about lessons from Naruto. So let's talk about that. That same thing happened with Naruto. Same thing happened with Gaara. But Naruto turned out to be good. And Gaara turned out to be not so good until that point, till the Chunin exams. And that's what is shown over there. That it is not what happens to you. It is what you do with what I got confused over there. It is what you do with what happens to you. It sometimes becomes very, very difficult to speak that
Yes.
fast.
Yes.
But point being the same, at the end, that is what is shown with Madara Uchiha, that few bad things happened to him and he turned out to be pretty bad. And kind of similar things happened to Senju Hashirama as well. His brother also died. A lot of the loved ones of his side also died, but he turned out to be good. Kakashi, through Kakashi also, they want to show the same thing, that Kakashi, so Sasuke tells Kakashi that you would understand what is going through my head if all the close ones of yours were actually dead. And then Kakashi says, before Sasuke leaves the village, that all the close ones that I had are actually dead. So I actually do know what is going on in your head, but it is what you choose over here. So Kakashi chose to be a good man.
Also,
Yeah.
you're forgetting about Naruto and Gaara.
Yeah, that is what I said, Naruto and Gaara.
Okay.
Initially, before the Chunin
Okay.
exams, Gaara turned out to be kind of
Yes.
an asshole. But then Naruto kicked his ass. That is what Naruto does, by the way. He
Yeah.
kicks the asses of the people who are kind of not that good, and now they become all cool.
We always call it कि Naruto ने हृदय परिवर्तन कर दिया.
Yeah, Hriday Parivartan. Naruto is the Hriday Parivartanist. That's what he does.
Okay, Ashish, I had one question. Why is Sakura so much hated?
Yeah. So there's this one guy, I think his name is Seish Kage, by his new YouTube channel. But he made a good detailed video about why Sakura is so hated. And the main reason over there was that initially Sakura was kind of useless. At least up till the Shippuden started. She was kind of not doing anything, right?
And she was always punching Naruto like anything.
Yeah. That, I think...
That added fun element, but
Yeah.
she never, that much sympathized with Naruto.
But you know what made her so hated the most was her hair color, I think. That's what really bothers me. If Sakura was a blonde,
Yeah.
people would be loving her.
I was suggesting,
Yeah, this was Komal's idea. I steal a lot of Komal's idea, guys.
And then he tries to portray it as if it is original.
I don't. I just forget to mention your name sometimes.
No, I just steal the credit. Like, give it back to
Yeah.
me.